Goalkeeper Lev Yashin. Defenders are Franz Beckenbauer, Fabio Cannavaro, and Matthias Sammer. Midfielders are Platini, Cruyff, Zidane, Messi on right, me on other side. Strikers are Marco van Basten, and Ronaldo Nazario.